Smartsheet has carved out a significant niche in the project management world, particularly appealing to users who appreciate its spreadsheet-like interface combined with powerful work management capabilities. It offers a blend of data organization, collaboration, automation, and reporting that makes it a robust tool for many teams. However, no single tool is a perfect fit for everyone. Teams often seek alternatives due to specific needs, such as a different user interface, more advanced features in a particular area, like resource management or creative workflows, different pricing models, or a desire for a simpler approach. As a project management expert, I frequently encounter the question, what is the best alternative to Smartsheet? The answer isn't a one-size-fits-all, as the best alternative truly depends on your specific context, team size, industry, project complexity, and budget. Instead of a single best, it's more accurate to identify several strong contenders, each with its own strengths that might make it a better fit for different scenarios. Let's explore some of the top alternatives, categorized by their primary strengths. 1. For visual and intuitive work management, Monday.com. If your team finds Smartsheet's spreadsheet-heavy interface a bit too rigid or prefers a more visually engaging experience, Monday.com is a phenomenal alternative. It's built around highly customizable boards that can represent projects, tasks, or workflows in a visually intuitive way. Why it's a strong alternative? Monday.com excels in its vibrant and user-friendly interface, making it very easy for new users to pick up. It offers a wide array of customizable columns, status, text, numbers, progress bars, etc., that go beyond typical spreadsheet cells. Its automation capabilities are robust, allowing you to set up rules for everything from notifications to recurring tasks. It's fantastic for teams that thrive on visual cues and want to track progress at a glance. Best for marketing teams, creative agencies, sales teams, or any team that prioritizes visual workflow management, ease of use, and collaboration. It scales well from small to large organizations. Key features: highly customizable boards, multiple views, Gantt, Kanban, calendar, timeline, extensive automation recipes, integrations, robust dashboards, and an emphasis on team collaboration. 2. 4 highly customizable workflows and all-in-one capabilities. ClickUp. For teams that love the idea of customizing everything to their exact needs and want a tool that can truly replace multiple other applications, ClickUp is a leading contender. It's designed to be an all-in-one work platform, offering an incredible array of features. Why it's a strong alternative? ClickUp offers more views than almost any other tool: list, board, calendar, Gantt, box, mind maps, table, etc., allowing every team member to see their work in the way that makes the most sense to them. Its customization options for statuses, custom fields, and workflows are incredibly deep. The automation engine is powerful, and it aims to consolidate tasks, docs, chat, goals, and more into a single platform. Best for agile teams, software development, highly complex projects, or organizations seeking to consolidate multiple tools into one flexible ecosystem. It can be a bit overwhelming initially due to its vast feature set, but the learning curve is rewarded with immense flexibility. Key features: 15+ customizable views, powerful automation, native time tracking, robust reporting, AI capabilities, a strong hierarchy, spaces, folders, lists, tasks, and extensive integrations. 3. 4 spreadsheet-like flexibility with database power. Airtable. If what you truly appreciate about Smartsheet is its spreadsheet-like interface for organizing data, but you need more robust database capabilities and relationships, then Airtable is an excellent choice. It bridges the gap between spreadsheets and databases. Why it's a strong alternative? Airtable takes the familiar grid layout and supercharges it with relational database functionality. This means you can link records across different tables, automate workflows based on data changes, and create custom interfaces and forms without code. It's incredibly powerful for managing complex datasets that are interconnected, going far beyond what a simple spreadsheet can do. Best for operations teams, content calendars, asset management, CRM, event planning, or any project that is heavily data-driven and requires linking disparate information. Key features: relational databases, multiple views, grid, calendar, Kanban, gallery, Gantt, extensive automation, custom interfaces, forms, and powerful integrations. 4. For enterprise-level project and portfolio management, Reich or Microsoft Project. For larger organizations with complex project portfolios, extensive resource management needs, and a requirement for robust reporting and security, Reich and Microsoft Project, often combined with Project for the web or Project Online for cloud collaboration, are strong alternatives. Why they are strong alternatives? These tools offer advanced features like critical path analysis, detailed resource leveling, portfolio dashboards, and deep integrations with other enterprise systems. They are built for scale and often come with enterprise-grade security and compliance features. Reich, in particular, offers flexible workflows and a more modern interface than traditional MS Project, while MS Project remains the go-to for deeply entrenched Microsoft ecosystems. Best for large enterprises, IT departments, professional services organizations, or any team managing multiple complex projects and needing sophisticated resource and portfolio oversight. Key features: Reich highly configurable workspaces, robust reporting and analytics, proofing tools, advanced automation, resource management, and enterprise-level security. Key features: MS Project advanced scheduling, Gantt charts, critical path, resource management, portfolio management, risk management, and strong integration with Microsoft 365 ecosystem. 5. For simple task management and agile teams, Asana or Trello. If Smartsheet feels like overkill for your needs, and you prioritize simplicity and focused task management, especially for agile methodologies, then Asana or Trello are great options. Why they are strong alternatives. Asana offers a clean, intuitive interface focused on tasks, subtasks, and project lists. It's excellent for tracking individual and team responsibilities, setting deadlines, and facilitating collaboration through comments and file attachments. It provides various views: list, board, timeline, calendar, but remains easy to navigate. Trello is the king of Kanban boards. If your team thrives on visual cards moving through lists, stages, Trello provides an incredibly simple and effective way to manage workflows. It's highly visual, supports basic automation, and is very popular for content creation, simple project tracking, and personal organization. Best for small to medium-sized teams, marketing content management, HR processes, sales pipelines, event planning, or any team preferring a straightforward, visually driven task management approach. Choosing your best alternative. To determine the best alternative for your team, consider these questions. What are Smartsheet's pain points for us? E.g., too complex, not visual enough, lack specific integrations, too expensive.